Hey guys, Imran here. Today we have the unboxing of the new wireless Bluetooth earbuds from Razer, the Hammerhead True Wireless. Taking a look at the box, on the front are the key features of the earbuds, namely the ultra low latency mode which Razer claims to be as low as 60 milliseconds, water resistance with an IPX4 rating and a 13mm audio drivers on board. On the left, the same key features are listed, and on the right, a dedicated app is available for both iOS and Android from their respective app stores. At the bottom, you will find what's included in the box, while at the back, you will get a more detailed overview of the key features. In typical Razer style, as soon as you unbox, you will find a greeting card from the Razer CEO along with the user manual, which does include 2 Razer stickers. Now on to the contents of the box. First up, it comes with a nicely braided USB Type-C cable which is about 40 cm in length to charge the earbud case. Two standard size silicone ear tips. As well as a short carrying strap to hook the case onto your belongings. The charging case comes in a nice black matte finish. It is decently sized, although not the most compact that I have seen. At the side here is where you can attach the carrying strap. Not much to note at the bottom. The rear is the Type-C charging port. And at the front here is where you will find the LED indicator. Opening up the case, these are 2 compartments to drop in the left and right earbuds in order to charge them. The lid of the case closes fairly easily when given a light push, and it stays closed when shut, so you don't have to worry about the case opening by accident while in transit. Here are the pair of earbuds which also comes in the matte black colorway that certainly differentiates itself in the crowd. Also imprinted on the side is the Razer logo that doubles up as touch media controls as well as to activate the game mode. I like how this is circular in shape as it makes the touch control feel natural to interact with. It has that IPX4 water resistant rating against water splashes and is rated to last up to 3 to 4 hours of battery life, not one of the longest that I've seen. In terms of audio, from my brief time using it, they do sound good for music playback. Unfortunately, there is no active noise cancellation here, which is understandable given its price tag. The microphone on board for calls is omnidirectional, no electronic noise cancellation on this one. To charge the earbuds, simply drop it into the case which snaps it into place magnetically with a satisfying click. The LED indicator will show green when full, orange when low, and red when the battery is critically low. Overall, based on my first impressions, these are a pair of well-built earbuds in a rather very familiar design that sound decently good and has some unique features that target a niche segment. Stay tuned next for the review as I share my more in-depth thoughts after testing it more thoroughly. And that is all we have for this video. See you in the next one.